All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at an integral. We'll use a u substitution today. Notice that I've got a sine in the numerator, a cosine in the denominator. And typically if you have a sine and a cos combination where one is in the numerator, one is in the denominator, then often the best way to go is through what we call a u substitution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the entire denominator and I'm going to let it equal u. So 1 plus cosine 1 over 3x. Now why would I do that? Well, if I was to take this u substitution expression and take the derivative, so du with respect to x, well, the derivative of 1 is 0. I know you know that. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. So negative sine of 1 over 3x. But then I have to take the derivative of the inside. Remember, the inside function is 1 over 3x. So the derivative of that is 1 over 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the numerator. Do you see the numerator here as a sine 1/3 x dx? And that's kind of what I'd like. I'm going to sort of separate the differentials. So I'm going to say that du is equal to, well, the sine of 1 over 3x dx, because I want to isolate this right here. And I'm going to send the negative 1/3 over to the other side. It'll act as a negative 3 on the other side. So what I can do is substitute. Where I see the sine 1/3 x dx, I can put negative 3 du. What it does is it simplifies the integrand. It makes it really easy to integrate. So using some substitution, I write my integral symbol. In the numerator, I write negative 3 du all over the denominator, which is just u. Do you see? It's just u. And so now that's pretty simple. Now the negative 3, you may or may not know this, can be taken out because it's a constant. So that just becomes sort of 1 over u du. And the antiderivative, or the integral of 1 over u, is the ln of u. So that's going to be equal to negative 3, the natural log of the absolute value of u. And usually these are given on a formula sheet, but if you're doing calculus, you're going to know this. It's going to be something that's going to stay in your mind. And you should prove it too. So find a video that will show you how to prove it. Hey, maybe I'll make a video on that. Okay, and then of course don't leave it as u, because the question had nothing to do with u. U is just a dummy variable. So we get rid of the dummy, and that's not a very nice word to use, I suppose. And then instead of writing u, I'm going to write 1 plus cos 1/3 x. So 1 plus cosine 1 over 3x. I have to put that back into the expression. And then don't forget your constant of integration. And there she be. And you could check that answer too by taking the derivative of it. And it really should give you back. I'll let you try that. You should always test to see if it gives you the answer back. You should get this back as your solution. All right, there's the video for today. Don't forget to slap a like on it. It helps me promote the channel so more people will have access to the videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you back here in the next video.